Hello everyone, welcome. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Varrell Isadora and in this video, I'll be presenting my mid-exam assignment, which is making a technology idea concept that I will use in the future for my own business. So, I came up with an idea that can help cafes or the coffee industries. My technology idea concept is an electronic coffee cupping gadget. What does it do? It basically does what the Q graders or coffee tester do. This gadget will have sensors that can observe the taste and aroma of a brewed coffee, just like the practice of coffee cupping, right? So I made a sketch of what it will look like. As you can see, so this gadget will be made with a metal-like special material where it will not affect or react when come into contact with the brewed coffee. This gadget will be positioned like a lid or a manual brewer equipment where it will be put on top of the brewed coffee. Why so? Because one of the components of a coffee cupping is the smell, and the gadget will sense it from the brewed coffee vapor or fog or the smoke from the coffee from the brewed coffee. The tube-like have a sensor or detector that will be put in the brewed coffee, and the tube-like will have time to spin with the small pedal too, so it can help to test other components of the brewed coffee, for example the consistency. This gadget will be turned on by a button like the sketch. Then it will do its own thing to test all the aspects or components of the brewed coffee. Usually, coffee cupping has a criteria worksheet where the coffee tester will fill out and give the percent score or result. With this gadget, it will sense and detect all components of coffee testing like aroma, flavor, taste, mouthfeel, aftertaste, body, and etc. And even other components in the brewed coffee like the water pH level, the temperature, the color, or even the coffee to water ratio, and so on. It will sense accurately, then it will directly give the score percent on the top screen, then the result of the component score at the detailed screen. This gadget can also connect to software or cloud or even your personal electronic devices, where there will be an app to show more details about the test. Like for example, in aroma there is ashy smell, animal-like smell or nutty smell, or even flora, earthy smell, and etc. And for the taste there is sweetness, acidity, sourness, bitterness, and so on. And that data can be saved to the cloud or any software, so it can be used for data purposes. With this gadget too, you can set the standard testing or scoring as preferred. I named this gadget RIGOR. It's a shortened word for rigorous, which has the meaning of extremely thorough, exhaustive, or accurate, similar to the word precise. I named this gadget RIGOR because it observes the components in the coffee cupping accurately and precisely. The benefit of this gadget, it's more efficient, it can save data, it has consistent standard criteria scoring, and the standard can be set as preferred so that the standard scoring can be based on a particular area or city or even country, because usually different area have different scoring, because different people have different preferences, of course. And with this gadget too, it will be much easier to learn about coffee for people who don't like the taste of coffee, for example me, or for the person who cannot drink coffee. Although there's a downside from this gadget, which is Q graders or coffee tester will lose their job because of this gadget, because this gadget is more efficient, and the gadget will also probably be kinda expensive because of the special materials and it will also need a power source because it's a technology. So it can came from a solar or battery or even from charging. And obviously, this type of technology will need special care. But overall, I think this gadget will be useful in the future, and I personally will definitely use this in my cafe business if someone can make this idea come true. In conclusion, I made a technology idea for my or any other F&B business, RIGOR, electronic coffee cupping gadget. That is all from me. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Bye!